Okay, so something that I've been interested in getting more involved in is essentially mobile filmmaking. So the thing about mobile filmmaking is you kind of want your setup to be portable. You want to take the gear that's going to work for you, but you don't want to take everything because lugging that stuff around is going to be a huge pain. At the moment, I've got my K&F concept bag. In the top of this compartment, I can actually fit in the entire DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Mode kit in this little bag. Everything fits in there, which actually leaves the rest of the bag empty for whatever else I want to include there. And at the moment, it is literally empty. But I was looking for a tripod or a monopod or a selfie stick or something that I could bring with me. And I had a lot of really small ones and a lot of really big heavy duty ones, which are just hard to carry. So I ultimately ended up with this thing. This is the ULANZI MT-44. There's the box there. This thing is really, really cool, and it is quite lightweight, but it is also pretty sturdy. So first of all, if you look at the top of this, there's a little cap, but essentially if I screw this off or take this off, I can attach whatever I want to a 1/4 inch thread, and I can go like that. But it does also have, this will be the point at which I realize if I can do this or not, it's actually got a built-in phone holder. So if you do just want to work with your phone, that's really, really cool. I've mostly been using the 1/4 inch thread just with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And we do have the ability, got to sort of unscrew this thing here. It's got a lock position and an unlock position. And if I do that, a couple of things that we can do from this point. I probably need to unscrew this one as well. But I can make this into a selfie stick, and it's really quite large. Like it won't fit in the frame, it's that large, which is kind of hilarious. So I can go up if I want to do that. And again, I really love the thickness of this handle. But also, while this is unscrewed, I can actually release. It's always fun to do these things on a live demonstration because it won't be terribly obvious, but I can actually bring that out and then I can have a proper stand. Again, you've just got to make sure that you tighten this thread back into the lock position. And I've got something that is actually quite sturdy, can be really tall if I need it to be, and can have that base as well. So that's what I'm rocking at the moment. I really like this. Somebody on YouTube recommended it. I wish I remembered who that was because it was really cool. But even just in selfie mode, the thickness of the base is really nice. It's really lovely to hold. So that's what I'm working with at the moment. Do you do any kind of mobile videography? Let me know in the comments what you're using and what you're enjoying. And the great thing about this is you can use it with your phone, and then if you upgrade to other things, you can use that as well. I mean, obviously there's probably a limit to how heavy the camera can be, but again, for my Osmo Pocket 3, it's perfectly fine.